Hello and welcome to my latest video cast, the Ogster here. Today's date is the 26th of October 2020. I'm going to debunk that Covid-19 existed in Switzerland in the next few minutes. I'm going to use the official source of Switzerland, admin.ch, which I have here. And I'm going to use my European source that I've used in other videos with the latest download from today, which gives me something that is the official Swiss data from admin.ch. That's the one I'm going to use today. I'm going to use it. This one is the raw data from the European one. So listen, I've gotten the other videos. If you follow the first 3 or 4, you should get it fairly quickly. So here I clean up the information. I grab all the information I need from Switzerland, put it into a cleaner format. Date, population, case, and number of people that died. This is my first attempt to try putting the information into a graph format. It's not possible due to the population size. So what I do in the next graph is introduce scale. So what I've done is I have divided the population by 1,000. So this, we are down to a scale of 1/1000, which is exactly the same as Covid-19. Convert Switzerland into a 3D block. Divide that up into 1,000 pieces. 999 of them, remove them. They are not in any way affected by COVID. And that one last remaining square, that 1/1000, is what I'm trying to show you in the graphs. But it's difficult to do because the numbers are so small and the hoax is so enormous. So anyway, I'm going to clean this one up here. New cases test positive in red, and the number of people that died. So in Switzerland, we're talking about the 25th to the 3rd. Yeah, about 27 with 58 dead, 36, 38, 22, 38, 78. Now here I see a little bit of a discrepancy. So this is the European information. So they're saying on this particular date, the 1st of April, I don't know what day that was, we had the most deaths in Switzerland. Now, if I just want to compare that to the admin one, so this is the admin one, the raw data. Same again, I can't map it. So here is from the admin.ch website. So I just want to check the dates. So you see here they have the most deaths on this day, the 2nd of April. So I presume this must be a Friday, Saturday kind of period. And for example, the 60 here. Let me put it to 600 just to give you some idea of scale. You see the little spike there. Okay, 60. Let me go back to the other chart. Now here you have in red, as I said, the cases and the deaths. They're very small, but they start testing over 1,000. It's hard to compare, 50 dead and to 1,000. It's 1 to 20. It's difficult to show here, and they went up in numbers. All of these, the people that died here had, according to the Swiss, 97 or 98% comorbidities: cancer, diabetes, overweight, heart problems, lung problems, any, smokers, anything. And so basically there's 2% of the 1,800 or so people that have died that didn't have comorbidities. We'll get onto that. So it's very difficult to show you here. So let me increase the number of people of deaths by 5. And you see here, just for scale, back to normal, back to normal. Now, it's very difficult to explain this next bit as I go looking for in the haystack, looking for some needles or a needle in the haystack. Now, you have to understand that I'm talking here about 97% comorbidities are included. So the next graph is beep, they're gone. They're gone. Normal, gone. Here I have removed the comorbidities from the graph, and you see there is nothing. There is absolutely zero. On the other charts in other countries, I've seen a little tendency, little points here. On the Swiss chart, I can't see anything. So I'm just saying that. Let me go back to. To open another file. There are something like 55 or 56 people in Switzerland that didn't have comorbidities, and that's the reason I can't show you. And if I zoom in, I'm up a couple of 5 times bigger. There is nothing this time to show you. Now I just want to go quickly to the admin.ch site. So I'm using, these are all official numbers. Population is a rough estimate. I mean, give or take 10,000, and then divide that by 1,000. Bringing it to scale, you see it's roughly very similar to the other one. Multiply it by 5, very similar to the other one. Back down to scale, times 5, back to scale, and it's gone. It's gone. Zoom in on it. Can't see anything. Can't see anything at all. There it is. It's debunked 7 minutes.